essentially for each of these steps, you can load in like a 2D or 3D model like this, and you can say, I found a defect in this specific location, which takes out some of the, takes away some of the question marks, because a picture paints 1,000 words, right? You know that it's specifically in this location. But the other thing that it does is you can then, for the reporting side, you can build up like heat maps of your equipment. So if you were doing crack inspections, for instance, so on a big excavator, one of the big issues they have is that because they're under so much load, and the machine goes through these like stress cycles, like the arm of the machine is bending all the time, you end up getting cracks in the steel. Okay. And so then someone's got to go out, weld up those cracks, and hopefully they last. So one thing that people want to do is they want to know exactly where the machine is cracking over and over again, so that they can, instead of just going out and welding, maybe they can do a design change. Maybe they can put an extra gusset in somewhere, or do something, change the way the machine's being operated to prevent that from happening again, because then they no longer need to go in and weld it up every time it cracks. And so with OnPlan, you can do those heat maps easily, because all of the defects are, what's the word I'm looking for? Referenced against an image. So you can overlay all the images on top of each other and get that heat map out.